Hey guys, how's it going? I'm going to show you today how you can convert your seat belt on a speed UTV to go from the center, the lock center between your legs, to the side, so you can do a lap belt when you're not going to be cruising very fast. You just need to move it real quick. I'll show you how to do it. Step one is very carefully, with a wide Phillips screw, remove these screws. Now they do have Loctite on them. They're very difficult to get out. Do your best and be slow and keep it as straight as possible to not strip these. I stripped it on this one back here and I had to drill it out. It broke. I had to try to get drill it again, broke a bit, try to back it out, broke the back out. Eventually finally got it on a drill press and slowly got it fixed and tapped and everything. Way too much work than it should have been. So be careful getting those out. Okay, after you get all these off, and as you can see there is red Loctite, so be very careful. Work it back and forth slowly as you get it out so nothing breaks. And take this off. As you can see, you got these little pins that stick out. These are all tapered except for this one. This is the one that you're going to need to move to the side belt. We got it moved over. Make sure that the back of it faces towards you when you lay it down, and then place this on top. There is a little spring there that puts a little pressure, so make sure you line that up in this hole right here as you're putting it down, and evenly torque them down at the same time and get it nice and snug. All right, now after you before you put them on, make sure you put red Loctite on and then torque them down evenly, and then re-torque them again in the circles until they're nice and tight, like your life depends on it. And after you're done with that, you'll notice the orientation of the lock is sideways. If it don't bother you, you can leave it. The proper way is actually facing downward, so I'll show you how to change that. All right, this flathead screw here, remove that with a wide flat screwdriver. After you get the bolt out, remove it. Just be careful, there's a little washer here, don't lose that. That helps it spin. When you place this back on, rotate it about a quarter turn and then put it right back on.